Hi, this is Marcus with Back to Chiropractic Seminars, and in this video we're going to show you how to take our online seminars and put the notes in the exam side by side. So let's get started. First, you want to open up your internet browser, so Google Chrome or Firefox or Internet Explorer or Safari if you're using Mac or another browser, and get to our website, which is backtochiropractic.net. So once you're there, you'll see all the doctors at the top of the page. And so the next thing we want to do is open up a second page or a second tab or a second window, all the same thing. In Google Chrome, you can see there's a little plus sign here and it says new tab. So I can click there and a new tab would open. Or I can come over to the far right where these three dots are. And if I click on that, you can see there's an option for a new tab or a new window. So if we click on new tab, it gives me a second tab. So now I have one tab with our website and another tab with nothing on it. So let's type here in this search bar, Back to Chiropractic, because we're gonna go back to the website. And it'll come up here. And now I have on the left tab the website open, and on the right side the tab open. So let's go just on this tab here, and we'll scroll down and we'll see what course we wanna take. And let's just say for argument's sake, we're gonna take Ethics and Law HIPAA. So I'm gonna click on the exam, and the exam will open up, and you can see all the instructions here that I'm going to go through right now. And you're going to click on Start Test. And the test will come up, but it asks you for your details first. So you can type that in there. In my case, it autofills for me, but perhaps you have to type those in. And then once that's all in, and make sure it's accurate, because this is what will go on your certificate at the end of the exam. And then you'll hit Start Test. And then it gives you an option to continue the test. So if you had stopped the test earlier, you could continue where you were, or you can start a new session. So for us, we'll start a new session. And now the test is ready to go. You can see that's the first question out of 20. And now we go back to the second tab on the left. And so we come up here, and so we scroll back down to where the online seminars are, and we go to Ethics and Law HIPAA, and we click on the blue word Notes. And then the notes will open up, and these are usually pretty large file, so be patient with it. So now on the first tab I have the notes, and on the second tab I have the test. Problem is I have to click back and forth, and so to resolve that problem, I will go to this tab and I will left click on my mouse and hold down and just drag it straight down and let go. And once I do that, now the tabs are separate. So I've got this one in the background, and then down over here I've got the other one. And so now I'll click anywhere in this gray bar, and I'll click down on the left side of the mouse and hold and just slide it over. And then I'll do the same thing to the one on the right. And you can see they're still overlapping a little bit. So I'm going to take my cursor and go to the very edge of that page, and that double arrow will form. And I'll click down on the left side of my mouse, and I'll now squeeze it down so it gets smaller like that. I'll then click on the second page, come over to the border again, and I'll squeeze it down off to the right like that, okay? And then you can rearrange them and get them a little bit nicer if you'd like. And then, if you feel like, well, some of this text is being cut off, we come back to these three triple dots, and you can start to zoom out and make the text smaller to make it fit, or zoom in, however you want to do that. And now we have the notes and the exam side by side, making our online seminars really easy to take. So hopefully that helps you out, and enjoy the seminar. Thanks so much.